As Taliban push ahead with military offensives across Afghanistan, India faces a situation that threatens to put 20 years and $3 billion worth of investment at risk. After decades of war, Afghanistan was in ruins, and it was India that helped in building vital roads, dams, electricity, transmission lines, schools, hospitals, etc. The 2011 India-Afghanistan Strategic Partnership Agreement recommitted Indian assistance, and bilateral trade is now worth $1 billion. Let's take a look at some of the projects India has undertaken in Afghanistan over the years. The 42-megawatt Salma Dam in Herat Province. The hydropower and irrigation project was inaugurated in 2016 and it is known as the Afghan-India Friendship Dam. The 218-kilometer Zaranj-Delaram Highway. Built by the Border Roads Organization, Zaranj is located close to Afghanistan's border with Iran. The $150 million highway connects to a ring road that links Kandahar, Ghazni, Kabul, Mazar-e-Sharif and Herat. It provides an alternative route into landlocked Afghanistan through Iran's Chabahar port. India had transported 75,000 tons of wheat through Chabahar to Afghanistan during the pandemic. The Afghan Parliament in Kabul. Opened in 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Afghan Parliament was built by India at $90 million. During the inauguration, Prime Minister Modi described the building as India's tribute to democracy in Afghanistan. A block in the building is named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The Store Palace in Kabul. Originally built in the late 19th century, the Store Palace was inaugurated by Afghan President Ashraf Ghani and Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2016. The building housed the offices of the Afghan Foreign Minister and the ministry until 1965. Several power infrastructure projects. Other Indian projects in Afghanistan include the rebuilding of power infrastructure, such as the 220 kilowatt DC transmission line from Pule Khumri, capital of Baghlan province, to the north of Kabul to beef up electricity supply to the capital. Several health infrastructure projects. India has reconstructed a children's hospital it had helped build in Kabul in 1972, named Indira Gandhi Institute for Child Health in 1985, that was in shambles after the war. Indian medical missions have held free consultation camps in several areas. Thousands who lost their limbs after stepping on mines left over from the war have been fitted with the Jaipur Foot. Transportation assistance. India gifted 400 buses and 200 minibuses for urban transportation, 105 utility vehicles for municipalities, 285 military vehicles for the Afghan National Army, and 10 ambulances for public hospitals in 5 cities. It also gave 3 Air India aircraft to Ariana, the Afghan national carrier, when it was restarting operations. Several ongoing projects. India had concluded with Afghanistan an agreement for the construction of the Shatut Dam in Kabul district, which would provide safe drinking water to 2 million residents. India will also commence about 100 community development projects worth $80 million. Last year, India pledged $1 million for another Aga Khan heritage project, the restoration of the Bala Hisar Fort south of Kabul, whose origins go back to the 6th century. Despite the denial of an overland route by Pakistan, India-Afghanistan trade has grown with the establishment of an air freight corridor in 2017. In 2019-2020, bilateral trade crossed $1.3 billion. The balance of trade is heavily tilted. Exports from India are worth approximately $900 million, while Afghanistan's export to India are about $500 million.